Pretty cool. Wow. Smells like spray paint. Wow. Love you, Daddy.
Graffiti Street.
Yeah, Graffiti Street. You bring your art with you, Valerie? No?
My perfume art.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
It's a lot of random stuff. Kill sex slaver. It's pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Ok, mandamene tu che...
Yeah. That's weird.
So. What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
I think, you know, if you're gonna just allow it like this on one area, unregulated, maybe,
Get some pretty creative stuff.
like, instead of trying to fight it throughout a city.
Because you can kind of see where some people have gone over some of the other art
Mm-hmm.
and added to it.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Oh yeah. This is one Jim likes.
Dat is best een paardje hoor. Ik heb niks beters trouwens.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Surprised those aren't like individual murals.
Look at that. Oh, we're running out of battery power.
Uh,
Uh-oh, we're good until we get home.
right.
Not until we get back to the room. Hmm? Any profanity? I
No.
don't see any.
Paint.
Can you do that?
No.
No.
I don't have that kind of artistic.
So where did the girls get their artistic abilities? Because I think all the girls do, right?
Yeah, they all love art. So I'm not sure.
Mhm.
Ik wel. Ik ben nog mee naar Praag geweest daarmee. Wel leuk.
We gaan wel weer.
Hey, stand right there, Jim. Kind of smells like piss.
Probably a little bit, yeah.
A little bit. Yeah?
A little bit.
It was cat's claw.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cat's claw. Oh, yeah.
Oh, frogs. With a grasshopper. Pretty creative.
Mm-hmm. I have 30% left. It's not too bad.
Yeah, I think it's let's see.
Yeah,
Definitely creative.
it's a good walkthrough. It's not hard to find.
I don't know if you knew the process got right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
So, what'd you think?
I liked it.
Okay, so far 1 day in Ghent. That's enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty good. 1 day. Wanna go down this way?
Sure.
Should take a